going to show you how to do the Sk2p stitch. It stands for slip, knit two together, pass slip stitch over, and it is a 2-stitch left leaning decrease. So what we're going to do is we're going to slip the first stitch knitwise, then we're going to knit 2 stitches together. So we go in by the second stitch, push it through both those stitches, yarn around, we're going to knit them. Then you're going to take your needle and you're going to pick up the stitch that you just slipped, and you're going to pass at the knit 2 together stitches and drop it off your needle. And there you can see it's a left leaning decrease. Let me show you once more. We're going to slip the first stitch knitwise. We're going to knit 2 stitches together. We're going to pick up the slipped stitch and pass it over the 2 together knitted stitches. And that is how you do an Sk2p stitch.